In this video, you'll learn how to access your Box files and folders from your desktop using Box Drive. Box Drive replicates my entire Box account on my computer by creating a Box folder in Windows Explorer or Mac Finder. This makes it easy to browse my Box files without taking up space on my hard drive. If I right-click on a file or folder, I can lock files to let others know I'll be making changes. Drive also lets me copy the link, so I can paste it directly into a document or send shared links out through an email program like Outlook. You can also select the option to manage your Collaborate. And now you can also mark a folder available for offline access, so you can work on your Box files even when you're not connected to the internet. All this without having to open my Box account in my browser. The green checkbox will indicate that the folder you marked for offline is ready for access. When you reconnect to the internet, you'll see this small orange icon, indicating that your mark for offline folder is being updated on Box. Box Drive follows the same permissions I have in Box, only allowing me to do the things I could normally do in my browser. As an editor in this folder, I can rename files, cut and paste them into and out of the folder, and open up files on my desktop, while saving my changes directly into Box. Previewer and Previewer uploaders won't be able to open files up directly from Drive, but they can still right-click to view the file in Box. If I need to search for a file or a folder, I can simply navigate here and open up my Drive search window. Anything I select here will automatically open up in Drive. Now it's your turn. Visit box.com/drive to get started.